Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization server. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type slmgr /cpky. Type slmgr /ato. Type slmgr /rearm. Exit and restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type slmgr /skms kms8.msguides.com. Type slmgr /ato. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.